Hello and welcome to this course on integrating technology in the management of people with pain. In this introduction unit, we will focus on understanding pain from multiple perspectives and also to know some ways to the assessment and treatment. To start, we will cover the basics of pain in section 1, where we will explore anatomy, physiology, and how pain is transmitted through the body. From there, we will dive deeper into the origin and nature of pain, gaining insight into its complexities. Next, we will move to taxonomy and defining pain in section 2. We will look at how different types of pain are classified, including nociceptive, nociplastic, and neuropathic pain. We will also distinguish between chronic and acute pain and explore altered perceptions like referred pain and irradiated pain. In section 3, we will focus on pain assessment and measurement. We will learn how to recognize psychosocial factors, understand the symptom of chronic pain, and assess pain perception, while also evaluating the effectiveness of treatments. Section 4 will introduce health and psychosocial models, such as the biopsychosocial model, and how different interventions in healthcare can impact pain. We will also discuss the importance of self-efficacy in pain management. Finally, section 5 will provide tools for the management of pain, focusing on self-management, physical exercise therapy, behavioral influences, and strategies to prevent chronic pain. By the end of this unit, you will have gained a comprehensive set of knowledge and tools to help into your professional practice effectively. I encourage you to engage in an active and critical way, and I'm confident this course will engage your ability to support people dealing with pain.